Gigi the Gadget Goddess, and today I have a large unboxing. This is all dealing with my watch struggles. I have the stainless steel Series 4 Apple Watch. I have had it for a matter of months, not quite a year. I purchased it from Swappa. Ever since I've had my iPhone 12 Pro Max, my Apple Watch will not keep Instagram or Twitter saved to apps to mirror on my iPhone. Every couple days I will notice I'm not getting alerts for these two apps, and a lot of people said they don't need alerts from those two apps, but they're very important to me because I help other people with businesses and whatnot. So when I don't get those alerts, then I don't respond to people. I'd keep these apps for about 2 days and then they disappear. I removed both apps from my phone and downloaded them back on, and that would keep the apps on for a couple days and then they disappear again. I unpaired the watch, repaired it back to the phone, and that would keep it for a couple days. I even set the Apple Watch up as a new Apple Watch. Do I want to try out some new technology? I want to try something new. I want to try a non-Apple Watch with my iPhone. I know the limitations. I know what I'm getting into before the fact. I don't need people telling me, hey, Apple Watch is best for the iPhone. I know that. I've never used the Apple Watch up to its standards. I don't take calls on it. I don't respond to text messages on it. So I don't need all of the alerts. I need notifications. I need something that says, hey, go pick up your phone, because my phone is going to be on silent mode. Now that I've covered all that, let's get into these glorious unboxings. And guess what I have today? An unboxing knife. So I threw the accessories to the side. Yes, all these are accessories. And I'm gonna just go for the watch right now. A box in a box. One box there. Hopefully only one more to go. As always, I appreciate y'all hanging out with me. This is the charger. This is the Samsung Active 2 in gold. It was mint. It says mint. It's mint. Other than maybe some dust. Let me get a second and wipe that off for y'all. Now, I'm going to stick this on the charger. I don't know how much of a charge it might need, but I'm sure it needs some kind of charge. We are charging. Let me go through some of the accessories and why I picked this watch versus Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 or some of the other options that are out there. First, I want to tell you, I didn't want to spend a lot of money on a smartwatch, right? I'm not getting rid of my Opal Watch. I like to have a watch for Android and for my Apple. This is going to be like guess the accessories here. What we have here are watch face covers. It's going to protect our bezels and it's going to give us a blingy look. Same kind of deal I went with for my Apple Watch. And I have a Milanese leopard print band. I'm going to include links in the descriptions to all of this stuff. I'm a girly girl, right? That's how we rockin' this. Let's see what's next. Absolutely positively don't like the band that came with it. So, I got a new Raise band. And being I got a black blingy bezel, I got a black blingy band. I'm going to tell you why I got this band. This is why I got a new Raise band. Because I had one for my Apple Watch and it's held up great. I do know this band was featured in another video, which I will tag here. Great band. I'm excited to see how that's gonna look. Gelishi watch smart band here. Y'all know I go all in. Absolutely beautiful. When I saw this one online, I said I have to have it. This is supposed to be easy to remove. Extra links. We'll test that theory out. I included the link remover tool. Can't wait to see how that works out. Oh, and there's some instructions. 3 bands, 2 bezels. Next box, 6-pack of screen protectors. We want to protect our mint condition watch that we just got. Screen protectors, blingy bezels, I'm sorry. You have to see all the bling. Blingy band, leopard band, black blingy band. Watch is at 100%. So let's get this thing started. All right. First thing you want to do is download the Samsung Galaxy Watch app. It's ready, it's open, and see, it's going to come in. And it's going to say it wants to use my Bluetooth, and I'm going to let it do so. Turn on the Bluetooth and go back to that. Before we do all this, let's install the screen protector. We got to get our protection on first. Does that look like a smartwatch? Not at all. I time-lapsed the instructions for this, but the screen protector said you should install it at night because it's going to have bubbles and streaks when you first install it, which I'm going to be completely fine with for now. If I have bubbles and streaks tomorrow, we might have a problem. We have the Galaxy Watch Active 2. And it showed up. We're gonna pair them up. There's a check. Tap to connect. Check your phone. Complete setup. I will tell you, removing the links was easier than it looked. It was just harder because I was trying to do it from behind a camera. Allow. We allow. We allow. They grabbed the nifty fold here because they allegedly sent me a code. Yes, they did. We are not putting a mobile plan on this watch. I have had mobile plans on watches in the past. What was that? Oh, I'm already getting alerts. I knew buying this watch, the capabilities that it had and the capabilities that it didn't have. And one, I knew I was supposed to be able to receive iMessage text messages to the watch. I'm going to show you, what you need to have set up so you can do said things. Right now, some apps updating. I think I can close that out without it being a problem. Okay. One thing that you need to do, you need to go into Bluetooth. Let me bring this a little bit closer so you can actually see. You see I have the Galaxy Watch connected. When you go into the settings for the watch, you got to make sure that share system notifications is turned on. That's number one. That needs to be turned on. And also, shout out to my subs. You need to go down to notifications, messages. And here is a place where I usually have things turned off. For this Samsung Galaxy Active 2 to receive notifications, including iMessage, you have to make sure that all of these are turned on. That's your lock screen, notification center, and your banners. Allow notification is turned on. You got badges turned on. Siri probably doesn't matter, but with previews, you cannot have it say never and only when unlocked. That was my default. I had to change that to always. And if you have all that squared away, you should be good to go. The other thing is, as soon as I had all that adjusted, I forgot to reboot everything. So I had to turn around, reboot my phone, reboot my watch. After I rebooted my phone and I rebooted my watch. Testing. And so I'm gonna send that and turn my screen off. And you see, that's a message from me. And it is a blue iMessage. I could have texted you from my Samsung phone, but I wanted to show you that iMessage was actually working. I'm getting all my alerts, as I should. I'm gonna see how this works out for me. You see, I'm part of the Samsung family here. I have no issues with Samsung devices. I've already customized my screen. I like the look of this better than I do the Apple Watch. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, please be sure to leave those down in the comments. I'd like to thank you for joining me on this journey that keeps continuing because I have to find something that fits. I will continue to use the Oppo watch with the Samsung, and I will continue to use the Active 2 with my 12 Pro Max. I will have fun playing with this, and if I have any future issues or concerns, or if I change watches yet again, I'll let you guys know. This was a nice pickup for $100 and some change on SwapUp. If you want to check out the video on this case here that matches my Pacific Blue so great, I'll plug it here. I can even see my reflection in this case. I don't need to pick this up. It come in gold too. Well, I don't know what it's gonna look like on the gold iPhone, but I'll tell you how it look on that Pacific Blue. It's fire!